I have the Roku TV here, and I'll be showing you how to change the theme, wallpapers, and screensavers on your Roku TV. So this is very simple. From the home screen, just scroll to settings, select that. Under settings, go to theme. Okay. Now we have theme packs, and then we have wallpapers, screensavers, and also sounds. So if you want to change the entire theme, just select theme, and then you can choose from any of these themes. Okay, so for instance, if you don't want the default theme, let's go ahead and choose this one, for instance, the jungle theme pack, and select it. And if you want to get the theme pack, just select it. Okay, just select get theme pack, and it's going to start applying. Might take a while, so just be patient. So the theme comes with its own wallpapers and screensavers. Okay, so it's a whole theme, and also sounds. You get a full package with the theme. Okay, so it's been downloaded, so let's set the theme pack. And now you can see the whole theme has changed on our Roku TV. Okay, now if you can go back to settings and go back to theme, you can also change specific wallpapers. So you can go, instead of changing the entire theme, you can change the wallpaper only. So select wallpaper, and then you can put in the wallpaper you want. So let's say if you want this one, select it, and then select get wallpaper. Once it's downloaded, just select set as wallpaper, and that's the new wallpaper on your Roku TV. Okay, now let's look at screensaver. So go back to the same settings, and then go to theme, and this time go to screensavers. And here you also have a bunch of screensavers that you can use. Okay, in fact, if you want to, you can set a clock, maybe a digital clock or even an analog clock as your screensaver. Or if you want something more animated, you can go to this bunch of animated screensavers, and then let's try and get these screensavers. Meanwhile, you can look at screenshots, but let's try and get these animated magic motion screensavers. Now it's been added as a channel, so we can go there and look at it as a channel. But meanwhile, you have all these screensavers. You have a bunch of space screensavers. You have baby animals, photo streams, stuff like that. Christmas screensavers. You can do whatever you want really with screensavers and select what you want. Okay. So let's try and get this Christmas screensaver. It's been downloaded. You can preview. That's what it's gonna look like. To set it, select set as screensaver. Okay, and that's what it's gonna look like. Hit the back button, and that's basically how to change themes, wallpapers, and screensavers on your Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.